Two very exciting things are happening. I'm filming on a new camera. And Anna's here.
Ooh.
So we thought we'd get together and film a fun little video. We've just filmed for Anna's channel, so go and watch that video too. Then you can see more photos. We are basically, as you said, taking a trip down memory lane. Yeah. Looking through our old Instagram photos, because there's so many of us together and there's some really funny ones.
And they're from a long time ago now.
Like 2012?
2012. It was like 7 years. Over 7 years ago. Oh, that's how long we've known each other.
There were some really funny ones that we did on Anna's channel, so definitely go watch that. I basically picked like the first 8 photos of us.
Okay, I feel like these could be funnier.
So they're like old school, these ones. So we thought we'd go through the photos. You just throw that one. Go through the photos and we'll like talk through like a behind the scenes of like what we were doing at the time and just have some lols. Yeah. So this is the first one.
Where are we?
First of all, Viviana makeup, it says.
Yeah.
Getting her nails done.
I liked it.
It might have been at like a Nails Inc event, like a blogging event.
I think that's Nails Inc.
It might be Look Beauty. Oh no, it is Nails Inc.
Yeah, I can tell from like the little packaging, that's Nails Inc. Oh my god, I loved this shirt so much.
Yeah, I remember.
This shirt was a Zara number and like all the bloggers had it. It was like the blogger shirt. The hair.
What's a watch?
Michael Kors watch.
Oh, nice.
Like my big old like watch. I thought I was the shit with my watch.
And your hair's so long.
Oh my god, bless you. Like taking a photo.
You're not even looking.
I'm not even looking at an event, and it made the feed.
Yeah.
It made the feed.
Like, no, but it's a bit weird. It's like I'm a paparazzi. Yeah. Like, you're not even looking.
I don't remember that event though. But 2008 or 2000.
There were a lot of Nails Inc events. I remember going to them a lot.
Yeah, great brand. Like, we loved a bit of Nails Inc.
2012, so that was the first time you featured on my Instagram.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
This is my favourite photo ever of us, ever. Zoe London took it.
Yes.
At Fashion Week.
Yes.
This was February 2013 and I'd just been away in Thailand with Rich.
Oh, I remember.
And we were like reunited. And it was a real like, Zoe just took it. It wasn't like planned at all.
I loved this photo. So we actually had to get Mark to look at the photos that we'd picked. So Lily picked some and I picked some. Yeah. And this was the one that we both had.
Really?
Yeah. This was the one that he was like, Lily's picked this one as well. And although I said in my video on my channel that there was a picture of us, that I was like, this is my favourite picture. This is
my favourite ever.
This is my favourite. Like, I remember that moment.
Also, I want Wayfarers again. That makes me want those sunglasses again.
Lily, you have so many pairs of sunglasses. How do you not have that style?
I don't know. I think I got rid of them for some reason.
Oh my god, 1,000 likes, like engagement through the roof.
Woo.
Like, Zoe's liked it as well. Funny thing, my bright brassy yellow bun.
Oh yeah.
Because I had an ombre
at
the time. And were you wearing
you look like one person. I actually can't tell where you are and where I am.
It's a human pretzel.
Yeah, it really is.
Were you wearing like a Zara jacket that had like pattern on the
black
front?
And white.
Yeah, that was cool. Okay,
this is the next one. I thought this one was funny because first of all, it's just such a bad photo for Instagram. Like, what? First of all, like, what is that photo?
What's the top? What's the bag?
It's a haul. 2 great things about today: a quick shop at Anthropology and silly faces with Viviana makeup. What? That's the worst photo ever.
Okay, when we said we would do this video, I thought I would know all these pictures. Like, I thought I knew our Instagram feeds like off by heart.
No.
I mean, I have seen this photo before because I've liked it.
Your face.
I have never seen this photo before in my life.
That was in my parents' house in that little bedroom because we had the shelves behind it.
Yeah, I remember that was our spot where we would film stuff with
on the
parents.
floor.
On the floor. We were both sat on the floor. Again, the graphic necklace.
Big chunky necklace.
It's all about the big chunky necklace.
But
that is the funniest photo of a haul that I've ever seen in my life. Because you can't even see.
But it's Anthropology.
And it's Anthropology. What is that?
I just thought that was so funny because it's the worst photo ever.
It's cute.
It's so
we
funny.
both got kind of matching hairstyles.
Yeah. And we look so young.
Well, we were.
2013.
Wow. Also, we're like, oh, look at us, you know, the similar hair. Like looking at us on the thing, and I'm like, yeah, we're basically wearing very, very similar dresses again today.
Oh yeah.
What are we like?
Yeah.
Nothing changes.
This is the next one. Do you remember without looking where that was from? Actually, I don't think it even says. Oh, it kind of gives a hint.
Oh, is this at your mum and
parents' house?
And oh my
but it's
god.
the night after we'd been somewhere that day. We're wearing t-shirts that
Somewhere in the city.
Yes.
Oh my god, yeah, love our fun for
Louis and Steve Booker tops.
It was, oh my god, I think I've got a photo of this day of me giving no, Tyler Oakley giving me like a piggyback. What?
So we've been at Summer City all day, and then we stayed at my parents, or at mine, I was living there, and we got these tops. Did we buy them? Did they give them to us?
I have no idea.
It was like a brand.
Lily should hashtag gifted on that.
But yeah, we took a photo.
Oh my god!
We had a sleepover.
Can I just say, back in the day when Lily like lived at her parents', it was my favourite place to sleep over.
Oh, I know.
Because I would get like a double bed all to myself. Like Lily's mum would put the best bedding on it.
It's a comfy bed.
It's a really comfy bed, and then blackout blinds, like blackout curtains, because it's where like Lily's nieces and nephews used to sleep when they went round. Oh my god, I would like come out, I would not know what time of day it was, I would have slept for like 10 hours straight.
Everyone loves that spare bedroom at my parents' house. It's like
I would come down for breakfast, and you'd been awake for a while, and I was like, I've just had the best night's sleep of my life. I used to love staying round.
I like that watermelon top. I don't know.
That's a cool t-shirt.
So funny. That was 2013. So the next one.
I remember I've got this photo when we had our scrapbooking phase.
Oh yeah.
This was a photo that was in my very short-lived scrapbook.
This was a photo we took when we were filming for Daily Mix, which was a YouTube channel that we like did work with, and they're definitely still on YouTube. We talked about it on Anna's channel.
Yeah, they're still there.
Really funny videos. It was really good practice though, because we had to like, oh my god, we had to kind of be a bit like TV presenter-y about it.
Yeah.
Like, the amount of times that we used to just crack up, and once we started laughing, we couldn't stop. And like at first, the producers would be like, that was funny, let's take that again, and then we'd keep doing it, and they actually got really annoying.
That's like the story of my life, is like cracking up and then not being able to stop.
Like we couldn't stop. We would be like, hi guys, welcome to and it was just a disaster.
There was one time, so it was like not scripted. Me and Lily would just sit there and we did like,
it wasn't scripted, but we knew that we had to like intro the video and say something.
We knew what we had to say, but one time there was a script, and it's because we were doing like, they needed us to do say certain things about competition.
Oh yeah.
Because they were like cutting in, because it was a channel that loads of people were on. Like I think Zoe and Louise did like clips for them, Jim, Tanya, Pixie Roo, like loads of people sort of had like different shows on this channel, and they wanted us to say this script so that they could take clips from each person and then put it together to make this competition video. It was the one time we had a script, and I think there was like quite important people in the room, and me and Lily, we just couldn't.
It was so bad.
Oh, we just couldn't. We were
it got a bit awkward, because it was like, okay, we need to do it now, and we just couldn't.
But even now with scripts, I'm just like, I'm like, that one time back in 2014, I'm like scarred for life.
Oh, but it was so fun, because we knew that we had like a set time every week we were going to see each other, and it felt really professional. We got to do some really fun things.
We got to like say what videos we wanted to do.
Where was this one? I can't remember what
this was in our management's old office. Had like a downstairs basement that was like a filming room, because they shared it with a production company. And there was just this like big white room, and they'd like move around furniture in there and like move around the backgrounds. We could probably find that video.
I like that jumper. It says Paris on it.
I think that was a video where we like did a like held, like a Mr. and Mrs. like held things up.
Good memory. Okay, the next one. I don't even know what's coming.
Oh, I remember this. This was in Malta.
This was a meetup that we had in Malta. Hashtag cocktails. Love that. And also, look at this weird like filter thing I've put on.
Yeah, you had a moment of like putting these like little designs on your feed.
Look, there we are in the middle. I love those shorts. And then all the people who came, I can't believe, we literally were like, if you're in Malta, come to this hotel and we'll have a drink together. And all these people came.
Yeah, and we were like, oh, now we need to buy cocktails for everyone. We bought cocktails for everyone.
Let us know if you were there, because that's you in that photo.
That was really fun. What, 2014?
Yeah.
Oh my word, so there was a similar photo that I showed on the video that I did where we were in Milan. We did ice cream for everyone.
Yeah.
But I remember that was such a fun trip. We were there.
MTV. We were there for a festival. What was it called?
I think it was called Rock Island. But
there was a really funny
Enrique Iglesias.
Enrique Iglesias was playing. It was part of the festival where they had to get him off stage, but without him getting like bombarded by people.
Yeah, he'd come to some podium or something, and then they had to like get him back onto the main stage.
Yes.
And he went past us.
In a box.
In a box.
In like a massive speaker box on wheels, and we saw him, they hid him in a box.
And it's only when he went past, we're like, oh my god, Enrique Iglesias was in that box, because he was there, and he was just there, and we just saw this box go past, and people were being really weird around this box. Enrique Iglesias in a box. We were there with Zoe London.
And Jen.
And it was so fun.
It was so fun. I think that's the only time I've been to Malta. You?
I've been there again actually.
Have you?
Yeah, I went back with the girls and we had an Airbnb and it was delightful.
Very nice. So let us know if you were at that meetup. So funny. That's the next photo.
Oh.
It says windswept but happy, celebrating 7 years and many more memories. So happy for Viviana makeup and Mark. So you must have just got engaged.
We did. I remember. So that's 30th of December. So Mark posted me on Christmas Day, and I remember like telling you, and you were like, "Cool, when are you free? We're coming down."
Yeah.
And you came down. I almost used a picture that I had on my feed actually of us ice skating.
Oh, that ice skating. Yeah.
Ice skating outside the pavilion. Like they turned the Brighton Pavilion into like an ice rink. And Lily is actually really good at ice skating. So Lily's like, "Oh, let's go ice skating," and Lily's like, like going around. That was so fun.
We like went for a walk on the beach, and that was.
We had Mexican food, and I ordered a quesadilla, and I forgot that I don't like melted cheese, and so quesadilla is always a terrible choice for me. And I remember Mark had to eat my quesadilla. I remember the food.
I can't even imagine being that cold right now. We're so hot right now. It's so hot in here. I'm wearing a scarf.
Yeah, that actually seems really quite nice right now.
Oh, we've got quite a few photos of like us four.
Yeah,
it's really nice. If you hear any noises in the background, by the way, Rich is changing a nappy.
We could do like a little, we'll get them in at the end.
I hope she doesn't do like a loud poo. Okay, this is the next, I think this is the last photo. And this is the best, this is a screenshot from a video from my Itatube vlog, where we worked out in the gym in the hotel.
Lily, when have we ever done that? That was like a one
time. Look at us. We took our gym kit and we worked out in the gym and we vlogged it.
Why did we do this?
I mean, I'm hoping it was just for the video because like, why?
No, I think Rob had written you a plan.
Oh my God, maybe.
Had written you like this is what you need to do, some like jumping jacks, like this, that. And we were like, cool, yeah, okay, let's do it. And you were like, I'm doing my plan. And I was like, okay, I'll do it with you.
Oh my God.
That is the one and only time
we've ever worked out in the gym in a hotel that we've stayed in.
No.
Ever. I thought that was so funny. It's also a really bad photo. Like, why is that on my Instagram? Got quite a few likes, 2014.
I think that's really nice. I liked it.
That's so funny.
Oh my God, this has been a one. Is that the last one?
That's the last one.
A wonderful walk down memory lane. Oh, look at those
funny. Yeah, the rest are all just photos of...
Photos are great. Oh.
We hope you guys liked having a little trip down memory lane with us. I will put, I'm not going to put links to those photos. But
can you put the links to the videos, like the Daily Mix video?
Oh yeah,
you can find them. Yeah, that'd be really funny.
I will try.
The Mr. and Mrs.
Oh my God. I have to watch it first.
Like 5 years ago. Yeah, okay. We'll censor it and then do it.
Let us know if you guys would like us to do any more videos together.
Anything you want me and Lily to do.
Exactly.
We're on it. Let us know.
Any excuse for Anna to come visit Gray.
And yeah, exactly. Like Gray hugs, filming with Lily, and then hopefully next time I'm not melting.
Yeah, oh my God, it's so hot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye!